The weather is so nice today.
Yeah, it's perfect. Not too hot or too cold.
I heard it's going to rain tomorrow.
Really? I hope it's just a drizzle and not a downpour.
I love this crisp fall weather.
Me too. The changing leaves make it even better.
It's freezing out here.
Winter is definitely here. Did you bring a jacket?
I wish it would snow this year.
Snow would be great, as long as it doesn't cause any issues.
The sun is so intense today.
I know, I feel like I'm melting. Summer can be brutal.
Have you seen the forecast for the weekend?
Not yet. What's it looking like?
I hate when it's gloomy for days.
Yeah, it can really affect my mood.
Did you hear about the storm warning?
I did. I hope it doesn't get too severe.
The weather app says it's going to be windy.
Windy days make me feel so energized.
I forgot my umbrella at home.
Don't worry, I have an extra one you can borrow.
This humidity is unbearable.
Tell me about it. My hair is a frizzy mess.
I love when it's overcast.
It's a nice break from the constant sunshine.
I can't believe how quickly the weather changes.
Welcome to your location. It's unpredictable.
Do you prefer hot or cold weather?
I like a bit of both. What about you?
I got caught in the rain yesterday.
That's the worst. Did you at least have a coat?
The mornings are so chilly lately.
I know. I have to start wearing my coat again.
I'm craving a sunny beach day.
Same here. Let's plan a weekend getaway.
I heard there might be a heat wave next week.
I'm not ready for that kind of heat.
I love the sound of rain on the roof.
It's so calming, especially when you're indoors.
How do you deal with the pollen during spring?
Allergies are a struggle. I stock up on antihistamines.
I miss the snow during the holidays.
There's something magical about a white Christmas.
Did you see the sunrise this morning?
No, I'm not much of a morning person. Was it nice?
The weather can really impact outdoor plans.
True. I hate when a picnic gets rained out.
I'm hoping for a mild winter this year.
Agreed. I can do without the extreme cold.
The temperature is dropping fast.
Time to bring out the heavy blankets and warm cocoa.
I love when there's a gentle breeze.
It makes the air feel so refreshing, doesn't it?
I'm planning a hike this weekend.
Check the forecast to make sure it's not too rainy or windy.
Foggy mornings make everything look mysterious.
It's like the world is wrapped in a soft blanket.
Have you ever experienced a hailstorm?
Yeah, once. It sounded like tiny drums on my roof.
I can't decide if I prefer sunny or partly cloudy days.
Both have their charm. Sunny for outdoor activities and partly cloudy for a scenic sky.
How's the weather in your hometown?
It's usually pretty stable, not as unpredictable as here.
I wish we had more seasons like some other places.
It could be nice, but I like the consistency sometimes.
Do you pay attention to the weather when planning your outfits?
Absolutely. I need to know if I should grab a sweater or sunglasses.
The weather app says there might be thunderstorms.
I love the sound of thunder, but I hope it doesn't get too wild.
Is it just me, or is the weather getting more extreme?
Climate change is definitely having an impact.
I find it so relaxing to listen to rain tapping on the windows.
Especially when you're curled up with a good book.
I heard there's a chance of a rainbow this afternoon.
That would be a lovely sight to see.
The sunsets here are breathtaking, aren't they?
Absolutely. The colors are so vibrant.
I'm thinking of planting a garden this spring.
Check the frost dates to make sure it's safe to start planting.
I always struggle to dress appropriately during the transitional seasons.
Layering is the key. That way, you can adjust throughout the day.
I love how snow blankets everything in white.
It's like a winter wonderland. Great for photos.
I wish I could predict the weather just by looking at the clouds.
There's an art to it. Different clouds mean different things.
How do you handle the heat during the summer?
I stay indoors as much as possible and drink lots of water.
The dew in the morning makes everything sparkle.
It's like nature's way of adding a touch of magic.
I never know what to wear when it's drizzling.
Waterproof jacket and sturdy shoes are a must.
The humidity is making my hair go crazy.
Welcome to the club. Humidity is no friend to hairstyles.
I heard there's a meteor shower tonight.
Let's hope the sky stays clear for a good view.
How do you cope with the darkness during the winter months?
I make sure to get outside during daylight hours to combat the gloom.
Weather can be such a great conversation starter.
Definitely. It's something everyone experiences and can relate to.